Edifier R990BT. Review and Setup Guide. Best Budget Bluetooth Bookshelf Speakers. The Edifier R990BT is a compact 2.0 speaker system that promises better sound than typical desktop speakers while keeping things simple and affordable. But can it really deliver? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Each speaker combines a 4-inch mid-low driver with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, while MDF cabinet is designed to reduce resonance and distortion. Together, the speakers provide 24 watts of total RMS power, which is aimed at everyday listening in a bedroom, office, or smaller room. Connectivity is one of the biggest strengths. You get Bluetooth 5.4 for wireless streaming, plus 2 RCA inputs, allowing 2 wired devices to stay connected at the same time. The Edifier Connects app also gives you music, movie and gaming sound modes, along with customizable EQ settings. Setup is straightforward. Connect the 2 speakers, plug in the power, select Bluetooth or one of the RCA inputs, and you're ready to listen. The speakers are active, so you don't need a separate amplifier. The sound system does have some limitations. Its rated frequency response starts at 60 Hz, so it won't reproduce the deepest bass like a system with a dedicated subwoofer. Bluetooth also uses the SBC codec, and there are no optical or USB audio inputs. Overall, the R990BT looks like a strong choice for people who want simple stereo sound for a computer, TV, gaming setup, or everyday music. It offers useful connectivity and a proper 2-way speaker design without requiring complicated equipment. If you're an audiophile looking for deep bass, advanced inputs, or high-end wireless codecs, you'll probably want something more premium. But for affordable everyday listening, the R990BT is a compelling option. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Edifier R990BT.